Welcome to How to Use AI in a Corporate Environment. In this video, we'll explore practical strategies for integrating AI in business, focusing on accuracy and auditability. Please note, AI-generated content may sometimes be incorrect. This content is owned by begsi.com and should not be distributed without permission. Enterprise AI integrates with HRIS, CRM, ERP, and project management systems, ensuring data accuracy and auditability. Security and compliance are enforced through strict measures, such as role-based access and adherence to regulations like GDPR and HIPAA. Advanced techniques like retrieval-augmented generation keep AI outputs grounded in verified corporate data. AI agents act as digital employees, automating tasks, reducing costs, and improving service delivery. AI agents operate using a four-layer architecture: data, AI agent, transaction, and security. They enforce role-based access and identity verification, ensuring secure interactions with systems. Unlike scripts, AI agents understand natural language and context, handling dynamic requests effectively. All transactions are logged for accountability and compliance. Identify the operational problems you want to solve with AI across departments such as HR, sales, finance, manufacturing, supply chain, and customer service. Take inventory in an Excel sheet, score the problem by cost impact, and decide if AI or automation is the right solution. AI can help employees, sales staff, customers, and vendors ask account questions faster with less human intervention. Security measures like single sign-on and multi-factor authentication protect employee, sales, customer, and vendor data, enabling secure and efficient transactions. Key factors for business AI integration include data privacy and security, integration with existing systems, role-based access control, compliance with HIPAA, GDPR, and SOC 2, as well as vendor maturity and support. AI websites in business analyze data, automate workflows, generate content, assist users, and execute transactions securely. AI platforms serve multiple business purposes. Generative AI creates content for marketing, sales, HR, and executives. AI analytics generates insights for finance and operations. AI customer service platforms automate interactions. AI sales and CRM platforms enhance revenue. AI HR platforms optimize employee management. AI operations platforms improve efficiency. AI RPA automates processes. AI security platforms reduce risk, and AI development platforms enable custom solutions. Security and governance are critical when deploying AI in enterprises. Identity, authorization, and compliance must be maintained to protect sensitive information and uphold organizational standards. Corporate network infrastructure must identify business users and AI agents for authorized access and compliance. AI agents should follow the same protocols as users when connecting to third-party networks or the internet, avoiding unregulated data use. Security measures include SSO, MFA, RBAC, encryption, consent management, and audit logging. Enterprise-paid AI versions offer explicit data isolation, configurable retention, and do not use customer data to train foundation models. This ensures safe handling of sensitive information and regulatory compliance. Free AI versions may store user input, lack isolation, and pose risks of financial or personal data exposure, which is why many companies block free tools at the network level. Enterprise AI uses single sign-on, multi-factor authentication, and role-based access, ensuring employees only see authorized data and aligning with zero-trust security. Free AI lacks integration, has no roles or departments, and allows unaccountable access, increasing risk. Let's quickly review the core differences between enterprise and free AI applications. Enterprise AI emphasizes secure access, compliance, and controlled data usage, while free AI lacks these protections, making it unsuitable for sensitive corporate environments. AI agents in HR use employee data to automate routine tasks and improve access to information. This enhances the employee experience by streamlining common transactions and reducing manual workload. Employees can read their own data and submit requests, managers approve them, HR admins modify records, and AI agents execute workflows. Security is enforced through SSO, MFA, role-based access, and audit logging, ensuring compliance and transparency. Customer service AI agents use customer and sales data to automate support tasks. This enables real-time responses to inquiries and streamlines service operations, improving customer satisfaction. Customers access their own data with ID verification. AI agents handle approved actions with consent controls, and human representatives can override when necessary. All interactions are logged, ensuring compliance and data integrity. AI agents manage vendor and supply chain data, automating project updates, purchase order processing, and invoice tracking. This accelerates operations and strengthens vendor relationships. Vendors have limited access to project scopes via conditional access. Ops teams approve or override actions with role-based policies, and AI agents execute tasks per contract. Security features include vendor isolation and audit logging, ensuring compliance and efficient operations. To learn more, contact us at 732-800-2058 or visit www.btgsi.com.